All right, it's 79 degrees, and I really wanted to go a certain way today, but I think that it's going to be closed. I don't know if they've closed it yet, but let's try it. They're putting up a new pedestrian bridge. I just don't know what time it's getting closed. Well, they don't have the road closed yet, at least not right here. I feel like I remember reading it was like 7 p.m. Maybe they're going to do it overnight when it's less busy. Road closure Thursday night, 9 p.m. Okay, so we can go this way. So there's the bridge that they're going to put up. Got the cranes ready. And they're just going to go across here. Oh, there's a sheriff.
That's the sound of the police.
Okay, well they got this all smashed, and I thought they'd be farther. I mean, they're getting there, but ka-chunk, ka-chunk, ka-chunk. They got it all chunked up. Oh, look at that old Dodge pickup. Just imagine, this guy could make one tiny little move the wrong direction, and I'm toast. I could also make one tiny move in the wrong direction and be toast. Oh, what are they gonna do here? What? I mean, it's not that bad. It's not like super bumpy. I mean, I try to avoid it. Look at you.
This is one of the best sounding bikes you'll ever hear.
Is it not loud?
It's not.
The right amount of
Yeah, it's not too bad. You can ride it quiet or you can ride it loud. It's kind of nice actually.
Oh, okay.
Like if I cruise through a neighborhood, I can just chill and.
Okay.
But if I get on it, it's. Jason knows. He picked it up for me because I didn't have my motorcycle license. This is Jason. I'm about to ride the M109R. I'd never rode a motorcycle when I bought it. I went and looked at it and I was like, well, it looks cool. I at least knew to get on the right side, on like the correct side, like a horse.
Yeah.
It's like you always get on the left side.
Some of the most fun I've ever had on a motorcycle is riding that back.
Yeah?
Yeah.
On the interstate. I hate riding on the interstate. Well, at least in Des Moines, it's like three, 4 lanes, and you're like, I just always wanted one, and I'm just kind of like, you only live once. That's how we live at our house. Should we get another bunny? You only live once. Gotta turn on all 3 cameras. Gotta get the gloves on, the helmet on. Mark always hates it when he goes with me because I'm like, hold on, I gotta get everything ready.
Is this gonna be the loud or the, where are we at on the scale?
What do you want?
Okay, go loud. I like that. I don't like my music. But...
Well, it's not loud when it starts. I mean, it can be if I... But, see, it's... Okay, well, you guys have a nice meeting.
Where does Brooke ride? Where does Brooke ride?
Yeah, this comes off. Put a seat back there.
Oh, gotcha.
But it doesn't look cool with the seat on there, so I gotta take it off. Bye! Hopefully they can hear me when I go right here. Ready? Supposed to go with Mark there on his motorcycle, but I couldn't find him. And other people are meeting there at 11, so... I don't know, I just felt like it. That's really nice. Wow. Wow, that color is even like, is that a stock color? That can't be a stock color. Maybe it is. My wife wants one of those. They say they don't ride super great. Then you gotta basically have like a 6-car garage for all the accessories. You know, the different roofs and the different doors and the different everythings. Okay, where is Rich parked? Is he here? I don't see him. Oh, he's right there. I should probably park over so Mark can park next to me. I just wanted to be like you. I wanted to be like you. The air horn. Had a little bit of a late meeting, working on the building remodel. All right, off to date night. Let's go up and see if we got the bridge prepared yet. Road closure tonight at 9 p.m. Well, I'm super thankful there's a turning lane here now. Many times I tried to turn left and was worried about getting ran over. So it's nice to not have to worry about that anymore. There's that highway patrol vehicle, remember that yesterday? I hope you had an enjoyable ride. We'll see you next time. Oh, there's my little bunny. Hi. 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 Are you scared of me? Hmm? Can you smell me? Can you smell me? There we go, buddy. There we go. Is that a bit less scary? Have you had a rough day?